What's up everybody, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are here at Ras Al Khaimah in UAE, and we are here for the new year to see the fireworks and drone shows. And I don't know what for, I forgot, but I will tell you that this is going to be in the Guinness World Record book, so stay tuned for that also. And this is going to be so much fun. I'm going to show you the drones, the drone show and the fireworks, so stay tuned for that too. And let's get on with the video. It is 31st of December 2022. This is the last day of the year, and at 12 o'clock, when 12 hits, it's gonna be 2023 1st January. So it's gonna be so much fun. I'm so happy and excited. Comment down below your favorite day of currently we're heading towards the festival. It's gonna be so cool. I am so happy and excited. Comment down below if you're happy and excited too. Everyone, so right now we couldn't go inside, but I did show you guys some of the festivals that was happening. But we're gonna wait for the fireworks and the drone show, which is gonna be way better. And everyone, there is 5 minutes left for the new year. I'm so excited and happy. Oh my god! Oh, I thought that was Burj Khalifa for a second.
You are dumb!
I'm so excited and happy. 1 minute left, everyone. 1 minute left for the Happy New Year. Let's go. Oh. That's drones.
Yes, so we are here with the last minute of
2022. Oh, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Oh! Whoa! That's amazing!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, everyone! 2023. It's amazing. like this experience.
Happy New Year!
If you did, smash that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye. Happy New Year.